In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get paid by PayPal, request money, and withdraw your funds efficiently. This guide will walk you through the entire process seamlessly, ensuring you know exactly what to do at each step. To begin with, open up your web browser and navigate over to PayPal's website. You can easily find this by typing PayPal into your search engine or directly entering the URL paypal.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Now you're going to enter your PayPal login details. This will involve inputting your registered email address followed by your password. Make sure you double check your details for accuracy to avoid any login errors. Once you've entered these, click on the login button to access your PayPal dashboard. After a successful login, direct your attention to the Pay and Get Paid section. Clicking on this will provide a variety of options focused on payment transactions. You'll want to look under the Accept Payments subsection. Here, you should see an option labeled Request Money. Click on this to proceed. At this stage, it's time to enter the recipient's details. Carefully input the email address or mobile number of the person you're requesting money from. Once that's all set, click on Next. This will take you to the section where you can specify the amount you wish to request. Carefully confirm that you have entered the correct amount. There's also an optional field where you can include a personal message for the recipient, providing some context for the payment if necessary. Once you have filled out these details, the final step in the request process involves clicking on Request a Payment. This action sends your request through PayPal to the recipient. Now that the request is sent, let's cover how to withdraw your funds once they're available in your PayPal account. Navigate to the Wallet section of your PayPal account. You'll find an option for Balance. Click here to see the current funds available in your account. To transfer funds, you'll be selecting between transfer to your bank or transfer to your debit card. Before proceeding, ensure you review the transaction details carefully and follow any on-screen prompts that guide you through confirming the transfer. You have the option to choose between an instant transfer, which may incur a small fee, or a standard transfer, which is typically free of charge but takes a few business days. Finally, review all the details once more to make sure everything is correct. When you're ready, confirm the transfer to commence the withdrawal process. That's it, you've successfully requested payment and initiated a withdrawal on PayPal. Make sure to keep a record of these transactions for your peace of mind and financial records. I hope this guide was helpful and now you have a clear understanding of how to manage your money with PayPal. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.